Our next line machine is the lateral raise. This machine works the deltoids and the upper traps. It helps with the abduction of the arms away from the midline. With this exercise, to get in and out of the machine, you're going to pull down on this knob right here under the handle and swing the arms in. Make sure they're done on both sides because they work individually. All right, once Jake goes ahead and grab on the handle about 1 inch away from the top, you're going to keep a 90-degree at the elbows with the hands open. When checking the setting of the machine, you're going to make sure that the shoulder, the center of the shoulder, lines up with the axis of rotation. You're going to go 2 seconds up, just raising above the shoulders, and then you're going to go 4 seconds on the way down. Again, try not to touch those weights. Good. And when you come down to exit the machine, you pull down on this little knob right here, and it opens the machine up so that way you're able to get out.